So today the Civic is getting these Civic TypeR brake discs, calipers and pads onto my EV1. Let's get on with it. So what we've got to do is undo this flexi pipe here, but before we do that we're going to clamp it to stop any fluid from leaking and to stop any air getting into the master cylinder. Then we can remove the caliper, remove the discs and put them back together and bleed it. And this thing here is the clamp we're going to be using. Got the brake pipe flexi clamp on, so now we can remove the flexi pipe from the back of the caliper, that bolt there, and the flex is off. Then we can undo the caliper carrier bolts, that one there and the lower one. Then we can remove the caliper, undo the two Phillips screws on the disc's off, then we fit as new components and bleed the brakes. This is the disc, new one versus old one. You can see the difference in size there. It's a few millimetres bigger, we're going 282mm to 300mm. Okay, we've got the bleed nipple undone with 10mm on ready. We've connected that up to a tube which goes to a bottle that's already got fluid in. We've got it higher than the bleed nipple. This is going to allow me to bleed this all by my lonesome. So we'll just get the clamp off, top the fluid up, and I'll jump in and start pumping. That's it, we're built back up again. 10 presses of the brake pedal, I locked the bleed nipple up, pumped the brake piston up so it was in contact with the pads, went solid. No sponginess in the pedal. Then I've put both my feet on the brake pedal, held pressure on, and everything's dry, no leaks. Look, all that good one. Time to do it the other side. These are the tools that we've used on the other side. Obviously we'll be using the same ones on this side as well. And that is it, we are done. The EV1 now has EP3 discs and calipers at the front.